Hi guys, if you're interested in seeing how I created this illusion ponytail, please watch the entire video to see the result. Back to my channel. Today I am basically going to be doing a faux ponytail using some frill hair. It's the 84-inch hair. I don't want it too long. I've already stopped brushing it. Just want to brush it, hold it taut, brush it, get all of your kinks out, pull it. Whole thing is, I do this when I'm prepping for braids too. You just use your fingers to comb any pieces out that the brush may miss. You just pull it. Got it to my liking, and it'll be about that thick. But you're wrong, that's how I want it. You don't want the piece to be too big because they're coming down. I'm only going to loop it through once, but I'm going to use about this size piece. I'm just going to lay a few of these out. They'll be ready for me. Okay, go ahead and get your crochet needle ready. I tie a hat on. My hair is pretty slick. Olive oil, go styler, with a little bit of this, just mix together. Put it in the palm of my hand and rub it on my hair. I didn't even bother to do edges yet, because my main focus is going to be on the ponytail. My hair in a plait. I'm going to put this in a ball just using a hair tie. Because my roots are dark, this is color 99J. Excuse me, and I just have a mirror here. I'm just gonna start right. You wanna try to get your ball as small as you can, but I'm just gonna be taking some of the ball and I'm pulling some of the ball hair and my hair that's in the ball, and I'm gonna pull it through the crochet, and I want this to go over that so I can have kind of like the hump effect, like a genie. That's what I'm looking for. I don't know how many strands of hair it's going to take just yet. I have not done this before. This is my first attempt at wearing it loose. Normally I'll just put it in a ball when I do this style, but I want a loose ponytail. It'll be your effect, so the ponytail is gonna pop up there, and you will be able to slick your hair back down and tie it down. Lips are dry. Stuff is great. Bath and Body Works. Pack it in the front here, because your goal is to don't go too far in the middle, like away from your ball that you have, because you're going to wrap some of these hairs around this to hide that. Or you can put a scrunchie or whatever you want around it, but you know, to make it more sleek, you just want to wrap hair around. Okay, these are the hair I have laid out. I'm just going to turn around and kind of show you what we have. And the effect I'm going for is this effect here. Your ball will be hidden in here. And we're just going to continue. For those of you that may be worried about how to take this out, it's not hard. It's only going through once. And you want to use small pieces. So if you use the big pieces, they will definitely come undone. We're getting to the illusion that we want. I'm going to call this an illusion ponytail here. Just combing through it to get any more loose strands out here during my intermission. But I still have quite a bit of strands that I want to put on up here. Just checking it out. We're getting rid of some loose ends. I'm digging it so far. It's not too much hair. Really nice. And the ball is really hidden underneath there. So, this is how we're looking at the top of the head here. And then frame, that's the side. This is the back, there's the ball. Let's really kind of see. So, this is the top. And this is what you have. The side view. This is the fluff it up like this. Like I have like a genie. When I wrap it around, it will be like that. This is what we're doing. This is the length. Like this. Now we're going to work. Ooh, look at that. I put some curls in this and kind of taper it. We're going to work on, I'm going to put a few here. Alright. Okay, the ponytail is pretty much done as far as the crocheting. I'm just shaping it up, getting rid of the scraggly ends as you see here. Just making sure it's the shape that I wanted. And I'm taking a piece of hair from the back, which I had to redo here. And I'm just going to twist it and wrap it around. Once I'm done wrapping, I am going to secure the ends with 3 bobby pins. You don't have to if you don't want to, but I did just for extra security. Alright, my peeps, this is basically the result of the illusion ponytail, faux ponytail, crochet ponytail, whatever you desire to call it. I am going to call it just an illusion ponytail. I like this style because there's no tension on my hair, there's no bobby pins poking me, there's no comb poking me, and I really enjoy this style. Like I said, I've never worn my hair like this before. I just thought of it since I did my crochet buns and faux bangs. I said, why not wear it straight? I was inspired by Ciara's long flowing ponytail, so that's why I decided to try this. The ball is not really 100% disguised, but if your hair doesn't blow in the wind or fly up, which it shouldn't, you'll be fine. If you enjoyed it, please discuss down in the comments what you did like and or did not like about it. Like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your notifications. See you in the next one. Bye.